This in today's video. Hi. In today's video, we'll be covering how you can install Userful to a USB. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to click Resources, and then you want to scroll down to Downloads. Select Downloads. It's going to bring you to a different web page. From there, you want to scroll down just a little bit until you see Download Userful. Click that, please. Then it's going to open a new tab. From there, you'll be presented with some information for a form. Please fill it out with the correct details, and then click Submit down below. Now, once you do that, you will then be emailed a link to the ISO file, which is what you'll need. And in order to install it, we'll have to use an additional program. The program we recommend here is actually called Rufus. It's pretty easy to get to. It's just http://rufus.akeo.ie. This is covered under the GNU public license, so it's free and open source for everybody. So if you just scroll down, you'll notice that there's a download button here. Click this and download. It will require administrator privileges to run, so keep that in mind. So once you've downloaded it, and once you've decided to run the .exe file, you'll be presented with an application that looks like this. To begin, what you want to do is you want to select the device, which in this case is just this one, USB, titled No Label. You want to select that, and then you want to click on this button right here. It's right beside Create a bootable disk using ISO image. Make sure this is set to ISO image, and then select this button here. From here, what you want to do is you want to double click the ISO image that you downloaded. In this case, we downloaded it to the desktop folder. Click Open, and then click Start. And then it will say Write to ISO mode. This is exactly what you want. Click OK. And then it was going to give you a warning saying it's going to format the USB, which make sure that you have non-critical information on that USB because you will lose it. Once you've confirmed that everything on the USB is okay to be rewritten, click OK, and then it will start formatting it and creating the burnable USB. This usually takes a couple of minutes. Hi. So now that Rufus finished installing, the USB is now ready to go. Please unmount the USB, take it out of your system, and then plug it into the Userful computer. And then that will conclude today's tutorial. For additional information regarding installation or anything to do with the Userful video wall, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.